I'm Mrs. Nirmala Naik, Headmistress of Union High School. On the occasion of Makar Sankranti, we are organizing the Kite Festival for the fourth consecutive year. When we began, we organized it at the constituency level, and for the last 2 years, that is last year and this year, we have organized it at the Tiswadi level. We have got quite a good response this year. Last year we had around 40 entries, but this year we have around 100 plus entries. The competition that are organized, there are two competitions. One is kite making and the other one is the kite flying competition. In the kite making competition, we have 3 categories, while in the kite flying, we have 2 categories. This kite festival is organized to bring out the talent in the child, because we can see that there are so many varieties of kites that are made by the children, starting from the pre-primary right up to the 10th standard. So on this occasion, my heartfelt wishes to all the participants who are taking part in this competition, and I wish them all the best, and let us create beautiful memories on this occasion. Thank
Okay.
you.
Madam,
Wishing one and all a very happy Makar Sankranti. So this is the 4th year that we are organizing, and this year we are having a very good response compared to the last year. Last year, because the exams were going on, the ongoing prelims were going on, and that's why we could not have many participants. But still, we could have got more entries this year, because some schools are having their sports day, some are having annual day. So because of that, but it's quite a good response. We have crossed around 100 plus entries in both the competitions, kite flying as well as in the kite making competition.